So, hello and welcome my friends. I am your Sandeep sir and you are watching MLT tutorial by Sandeep sir. So, you are always welcome in my video. You should put your comments in the drop box and you should go through the description. There is many videos about these features, about these topics that you do want to know from me, and of course you subscribe this channel. Not only subscribe this channel but also share much and much this channel. So before we go to this topic, I just ensure you that I am in this medical laboratory field for more than 30 years, and for 20 years I have a teaching experience. So I have some duties, I have some responsibilities to clear to your doubts in all the way. As my offline and online students, for them I am putting MCQs questions, chapter wise discussions, and above all their yearly question answers, that is long and brief type question answer I also put in through my video. So just follow my channel. And some people are asking me that, sir, what is DMLT and what is BMLT? In the previous video I have just discussed about the BMLT, difference between the BMLT and BSc MLT, and finally I comment that there is no difference between BMLT and BSc MLT. Please see that video also. And first of all, what is the meaning stands for? What is for DMLT stands? DMLT stands for Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, whereas BMLT stands for Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, and BSc MLT stands for Bachelor of Science, that is BSc degree in Medical Laboratory Technology. So which is higher? Obviously DMLT is higher than the certificate course, that is CMLT, Certificate in Medical Laboratory Technology, and lower than bachelor degree, that is BMLT or BSc MLT, or it is lower than the bachelor degree. Whereas the bachelor degree is certainly higher than the diploma degree, that is the DMLT, and obviously lower than the master's degree, that is MMLT or MSc MLT, that is Master of Medical Laboratory Technology and Master of Science in Medical Laboratory Technology. So what is the course duration? There are two types of course duration you can find in the DMLT, that is 2 years or 2.5 years. That half years is as internship, and whenever you get a chance in the 2.5 years course, you just go for that, because every internship has a distinguishable category for you, because during internship you going to expose to the industry first of all, and more than that, that is for during that internship you may have find your future employer. So go for always internship wherever it is available. And for the BMLT course, BMLT is 3 years course. Somewhere it is 3.5 years course, that is half years also as internship, always go for that. And some universities providing 4 years along with internship, because the 4 years degree is always recognized globally. But you just keep it in mind that 2 years, 2.5 years, 3 years, 3.5 years, all these are valid and poised in our Indian context. So you may go for the 2 years, 2.5 years, 3 years or 3.5 years, whatever you like, because the 4 years degree courses are costing much more, about 5 to 6 lakhs it may cost. So if your pocket does not permit, you can go for any of that course, because I am always with you with my YouTube channel, that is MLT tutorial by Sandeep sir. In this channel I going to serve you within coming 2 years 10,000 plus MCQs, all the question answers, year-wise question answer, and along with the chapter-wise discussion. So now, the course conductor, who are the course conductors? About these things, all I have video in the description, there is link, you may go for that. The course conductors are the state government, are the main course conductors. Various state government provided diploma degree, various state government provided bachelor degree, various state government provided both diploma degree and bachelor degree, so you may go for anyone. State government and university affiliated institutes. Like that, BMLT also provided by state governments, universities and university affiliated institutes. Some private universities all conducting this course in their campus only, and the state universities are generally through their affiliated institutes, because the state government technical council is not supposed to be the providing the bachelor degree. So every state has a health university or allied health university. Through that body they are providing you bachelor degree. And here is another thing, that is the government promoted organization who are promoting diploma courses. That is the government promoted organizations like NIOS that I have told earlier, that the National Institute of Open Schooling, and BSS, that is Bharat Sevak Samaj. These are government promoted bodies who are promoted diploma degree, and also there is another, that is the skill development, that is Kushal Bharat. State government also have that program, that is the Skill India program. So now the course content is the main thing, because, and obviously certainly, because rather than 2 years or 3 years student can learn more. So the course content is something more, and it is not about the number of tests. It is about the interpretation of the test, that is the different disease condition you must learn in these courses, and along with that mainly the portion of the physiology, that how our body does functioning. So the physiology, as much you know about the physiology and disease conditions, you will be able to interpret a result, a bunch of results. Say for a patient you have done 10 number of tests, but 10 number of tests you have to correlate between the test results. So there the BMLT and BSc MLT pass students are more able to interpret that result. This is also depends on the experience also. So now the eligibility is the 10 plus 2 science for state and universities. So 10 plus 2, here is also 10 plus 2 science, physics, chemistry, biology for state and universities. Some state or universities asking another thing, that is English, because without English you cannot you cannot study a technological based subject. So English is more important. So some state or universities asking for English, and like that some university also allow you, like some private universities, that you if you have not the PCB, that is the physics, chemistry, biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, that is PCM students are also allowed by these universities to study these courses. And these type of institutes, that the government promoted organizations, they are allowing 10 plus 10 pass students or 10 plus 2 students, whether the stream arts, science or commerce, they are allowing the students to without science to study the diploma courses, and for that many students are obviously gainer for that, because during this corona pandemic age, there are the market is totally vacant, because the many state governments, central government and PSUs appointed many more laboratory technicians, laboratory technologists from this from the market. So there a big vacuum is created nowadays. So hurry up students, this is the golden time, golden opportunity to take admission in such type of education. So the jobs provided by the job providers of the government, here I am not differentiated anything, I am go through a line. Government organizations, semi-government organizations and private organizations in their hospitals, diagnostic labs and blood banks. Blood banks is the main concern. So everywhere they are appointing diploma or bachelor degree personnel, and apart from that you may go for the self or partnership laboratory. So you can think about that also. With your close 2 or 3 friends, you may study along with them and go for a partnership laboratory, and there is a healthy income you can expect. Apart from that, some institutes like research institutes appointed BMLT and BSMLT past students for their research projects. I am going that part later. Now the post. Which posts are offering for them? For the diploma pass students, they are offering the phlebotomist, that is the personnel who draws blood or who draws plasma, that is the plasma bank. For the corona therapy is very now remarkable thing, that phlebotomist who are drawing bloods, lab assistant, laboratory technician and blood bank technician, all these diploma students all are eligible for these posts. And the BMLT and BSMLT pass students are eligible for this post. Apart from that, they are also eligible for lab technologies, that is the higher than the lab technician, and after say 2 to 3 years they are going to promoted in the officer rank, like laboratory officer, technical officer. The technical officer is very important in the blood bank part, and laboratory superintendent, quality control manager, QC manager is very much required for all these 3 sectors, that is the blood bank, diagnostic lab and hospital, because the quality control is the main thing of a laboratory that regulates your report produced, generated from your laboratory. And of course the research assistant, these research assistants say the corona vaccine, what the corona vaccine is under the research progress. Apart from that, there are virologists, scientists, there are also BSc MLT and BMLT pass students are there, because they are assist in their research work. So my tutorial name is the MLT tutorial by Sandeep sir. You subscribe this, you must subscribe this channel, share the video more and more, and I will meet with soon with my next video. So thank you today.